Hello everyone and welcome back to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to make audio sound better in Audacity. First of all, make sure to open Audacity and make sure to have an audio recorded in it. I have already done that. Second, we need to actually test the audio. So what I'm gonna do is to actually make sure to make you listen to this audio, which is the before version. This is my audio and this is the example that I'm going to use for the video. This is the before version. Now what I will need to do is to apply some effects. The first thing I'm going to click is I'm going to click in this area and then I'm going to control A so I select the whole audio. Click on effect and then go to the EQ and filters, then go to filter curve EQ. Go to presets and settings and then here and then click on bass boost. After you go here, make sure to click on apply and this is what it's gonna do. Now go and do this again, effects, EQ and filters, and here go filter curve EQ and filter settings. From here guys, you will need to go ahead and do the treble cut. So let's go and or treble boost So let's do that right here. As you can see, now we have done this. The third thing that we need to do the same thing, but this time with the effects. I'm going to go here, go to EQ and filters, go filter curve EQ, and here we are going to go with roll off for speech and then click on apply. Now once we have done that, we're going back to effects and then go for volume and compression and then go for compressor. These are the settings that I usually do, so make sure to follow them, and here I will click on apply and this is the final version. This is my audio and this is the example that I'm going to use for the video. This is my audio. As you can see, it is much better than the original form. That was it for today's video guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave a like and subscribe and see you in the next video.